Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains new, useful kitchen items that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end, so let's start the video. Number 5. The AOZeta 24 PC's glass spice jars offer a high-quality solution for organizing and storing your favorite spices. Each jar is made of clear glass, which allows you to easily identify the contents and monitor the quantity remaining. The metal lids ensure a tight seal, keeping your spices fresh and flavorful. These jars have a capacity of 4 fluid ounces, providing ample space for storing various spices, herbs, and seasonings. The lead-free material feature enhances the safety of these jars, making them suitable for storing food items. The sleek and simple design of the AOZeta glass spice jars adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. Whether you are a cooking enthusiast or simply looking to declutter your spice cabinet, these jars are a practical and stylish choice.
Number 4. The OXO Good Grips. Melon Baller in Silver is a versatile and durable kitchen tool that offers both functionality and quality craftsmanship. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this Melon Baller is designed to make scooping melon balls a breeze. With a product dimension of 9.13 inches in length and 1.13 inches in width and weighing just 0.5 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to handle. The stainless steel material not only ensures the durability of the Melon Baller, but also makes it resistant to rust and staining, providing long-lasting performance. The OXO brand is known for its ergonomic and user-friendly designs, and this Melon Baller is no exception. The Good Grips handle offers a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand fatigue and making the task of scooping melon balls more efficient. Whether you are preparing fruit salads, garnishes, or desserts, the OXO Good Grips Melon Baller in Silver is a versatile tool that delivers precise and uniform.
Number 3. This egg cooker by Elite Gourmet truly exemplifies simplicity meeting functionality. The classic black color gives it a sleek and modern look that would complement any kitchen decor effortlessly. With its compact design and dimensions of 6.25 L into 6.25 W into 5.75. This egg cooker won't take up much space on your kitchen countertop, making it a convenient addition to your kitchen appliance collection. Weighing only 1.06 pounds, the Elite Gourmet EGC 115 Be Easy Egg Cooker is lightweight and easy to move around as needed. Despite its lightweight build, it boasts a 7-egg capacity, allowing you to prepare up to 7 eggs at a time with ease. Moreover, with a capacity of 14 ounces, this egg cooker is not only suitable for cooking eggs, but can also be used for steaming vegetables, dumplings, and other small food items. Its versatility adds value to this product beyond just boiling eggs. In conclusion, the Elite Gourmet EGC 115 Be Easy Egg Cooker is a reliable and efficient appliance.
Number 2, the Cuisinart Smashed Burger Press is a standout tool for any kitchen enthusiast or professional chef looking to elevate their burger-making game. Crafted from durable cast iron, this burger press is designed to be heavy-duty and built to last. The unique feature of this press allows you to create perfectly smashed burgers every time, giving your burgers that coveted crispy edge while keeping the juicy tenderness inside. With a capacity of 2.11 quarts, you can easily press and shape multiple burgers at once, making it ideal for family gatherings or backyard barbecues. The cast iron material ensures even heat distribution for thorough cooking and delicious results every time. Whether you're a seasoned grilling expert or a home cook looking to achieve that classic smashed burger taste, the Cuisinart Smashed Burger Press is a versatile and reliable tool that will quickly become a staple in your kitchen. Upgrade your burger-making experience with this innovative and well-crafted press.
Number 1. The Ovente Electric Immersion Hand Blender is a high-performance kitchen tool that combines versatility and efficiency. Its sleek black design adds a sophisticated touch to any kitchen setting. With its compact dimensions of 2.5 D into 2.5 W into 14.8 H, this immersion blender is both space-saving and easy to handle. One of the standout features of this blender is its 2-speed setting, allowing you to adjust the blending speed according to your specific needs. Whether you're blending smoothies, soups, or sauces, this blender provides you with the control to achieve the desired consistency. Moreover, the Ovente hand blender is BPA-free, ensuring that your food remains safe and free from harmful substances. The slim stick design of the blender makes it easy to immerse into different containers, giving you the flexibility to blend in various sizes of pots or pitchers. Overall, the Ovente electric immersion hand blender is a reliable and convenient kitchen companion that offers high performance,